All right, hello YouTube. Thanks for watching. Just on a quick update that I think a lot of members are going to like to our new marketing system, and that update is gated content. So this content is gated. All right. In other words, it's blocked unless you take a certain action. So the reason why I wanted to add this is because I wanted people to consider taking action and incentivizing checking out their sponsors' businesses. So all you need to do in order to unlock this content is to click at least one link. All right. This is powerful because we can already allow you to set up to 5 businesses of your choice and add them into this system so that your team can see what businesses you are passionate about. But unlike the core programs that we got in here, there's not such a huge incentive to require people to click your links. So we want to change that. We want to make sure that people have an incentive to click your links and see what you've got there. So in order to give them access to this gated content, as long as they click the links. Now also, it shows here that your sponsor link clicked is showing 0 because the user has this user logged in hasn't clicked any of their sponsors' links. So here's what can happen. So if the user decides, okay, I'm going to check out this one, and they click it, and they visit the page, okay, it looks good, and they come back, and boom, it's unlocked, okay, and it's showing we're tracking your visit, okay, and if you refresh the page again, it shows that you stayed on the page about 20 seconds. It also shows that you've actually clicked one link, okay, because that's what you've clicked, and if you click on any more, it's going to change. But anyway, your bonus content is unlocked and you can access. So at the moment, if you click here, you're going to access some marketing tools. Now I'm going to add more stuff to this page. I'm going to update it. I'm going to add some good stuff so that you can have access to more marketing content. So that's powerful, okay? But that's what it looks like, and you'll see which links you've clicked on your sponsors' links, and you've checked out your sponsors' links. But this will remain active, okay? Now this is actually cookie based. In other words, if you use a different device and access and log in through a different device, this is not going to, this will be blocked again. It'll lock you out because it's cookie based. And actually that's a good thing, guys, because it means it encourages people to click your links again. So it's actually a good thing. So yeah, and also if you clear your cookies or whatever, it's gonna bring that lock back. But you just have to click the link once and boom, it's back again. So anyway, the purpose of this is it is gimmicky, but it helps for conversions. And at the end of the day, we want your leads, your downline to see what you're passionate about, what it is you're promoting, and that's what it's all about. Okay, so just a simple update. I've actually got another update that I didn't announce, but I did it a few days ago. On the lead capture page, we've had a few new things here recently. For example, you'll see the new graphic that you can add on the side there, which looks pretty cool. And you've got some options there. But you don't have to. You can you choose not to have a graphic if you don't want to. But basically, if you edit or create a new page, what we've got is we've got a few new font sets. So you've got more fonts choices, and obviously we've got the graphics that you can add to your page optionally. It's up to you. But what we've done is we've also added a new feature where you can actually choose what button, what call to action button you want to add. So you can you can choose which button you want to add. It's up to you. And when you click save, you'll be able to see the update immediately. Okay, show me more. So the buttons can change. You've got more control over the font. You can add graphics, and obviously you're branded. So it looks good, guys. And obviously the background image is also, you can change those as well. So Pretty cool. So you can create your own pages and use them, and you can track and everything. And if you're struggling, you can click on here, and you can add a page from the library. Okay, save you having to create one from scratch. But you know, even creating one from scratch takes you seconds. So it's really easy, guys. So we've got a little share code tool there. You can import a page. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was useful. All right, see you in the next training. Bye for now.